Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we will be seeing how to change the performance of the graphics cards in your system using Envycontrol. In the last video, we have seen how to install the Envycontrol using the AUR helper, because the Envycontrol package is available in the AUR repository. So you will have to either use A or Paru to install it. So that we have done the installation successfully and rebooted the system. Now you have to issue the command sudo envycontrol space dash small s performance. So performance is not going to work because it is not the word recognized by this Envycontrol script. So you can see here it is showing the invalid choice. So you have to either choose from the integrated, hybrid or the Nvidia. So I chose the Nvidia mode. So in Nvidia mode, right from the boot of the system, the Nvidia graphics card will give the performance or will support the graphics of the system, and the integrated graphics card will remain dormant, and the hybrid mode will also not work. Only Nvidia card will specifically work to give the graphics support. And here you can see it is switching to graphics mode. It is enabling the force composition pipeline, enabling the cool bits, successfully enabled the Nvidia persistent daemon service. It will rebuild the init ramfs. So in init ramfs there is an entry, so the entries will get changed and the system will start up the Nvidia card immediately on boot. So whenever the system will get booted up and init ram will be loaded into the system, the Nvidia card gets activated. So it will successfully rebuild the init ramfs. Operation is completed. You can reboot the system. And then from that time onwards, whenever you will reboot the system and run the system, the Nvidia card will provide the graphics support to your system. The integrated graphics card will remain dormant. The hybrid mode will also not work. Only the full Nvidia mode will work. So with this, I will stop the video. See you in the next video with some other functionality. Bye bye.